caught practically the top. You never catch the whole top. And since then we have not touched any gold mining stocks other than a couple of exploration stocks, but the big ones we're out of and will stay out of. I just don't see gold acting well anymore from here on. But as you said, they led the bull market in mining stocks, and just recently also, of course, the base metal stocks have started to run. Although if I can refer to a tech or so, they have been running since January also, and had a spectacular performance. And that's really based on the fact that we were all expecting the world economy, of course, to improve. China has given some good input now, and it looks like copper and zinc and some other base metals have actually broken out. Well, copper just broke out 3 days ago, and is up 10% in just the last couple of days. And I guess that's also due to the fact that Trump has made it very clear yesterday in his inauguration speech that he will favor infrastructure investments. And that means iron ore, zinc, copper will be used. And I think we are in the beginning now of a base metal run. In other words, while the gold stocks, in my personal opinion, highly personal, are over for the time being and have had quite a dramatic correction actually since August, I think the base metals are just about to start a new bull market of their own.
You know, I've seen the chart for zinc, and you know, I've been watching the chart for copper in this past few weeks. It does show a clear breakout. With zinc, though, specifically, you and I talked about this in our last interview. There is a situation where there is actual supply deficits. What is going on in the zinc market right now, and where do you see it for 2017?
Well, as we discussed it then, there is still a very big deficit. If you look at all the holdings also on the LME, etc., they are way down from historical numbers. And zinc, in my opinion, has the best appeal or the biggest appeal for a big bull run, even from here on, where it's already up 50 or 60% this year. Whereas copper, for example, only just broke out now, but zinc is a metal that's going to be used, particularly again in infrastructure investment, on the automobiles also. I think it can really have a big run, and this is why we have been concentrating, as I said in the last interview, on zinc stocks in particular. There are only a couple of pure zinc plays, and we're concentrating on that. And I think the deficit will persist at least throughout 2018, it seems.
One of the stocks we cover and one of the stocks that you own and have disclosed on our show was Callinex Mines, and they recently had some drill results come out, very positive, and we even saw about within 7 days Sprott Asset Management came in to be their single largest shareholder. What are your thoughts on Callinex's drill results and the fact that Sprott has now come into the company to help support them?
Yeah. Well, again, going back to the latest interview, at the time we were very positive, but we didn't have any real data yet. But we were very positive about what we could be finding in the next drill holes. And the stock then had a dramatic rise at the time and then fell back for unexplained reasons. And since then, the company then has actually delivered. I mean, they found a very big and high-grade discovery hole. If you remember the details, it was over 10.3 meters.